This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 50 JDBC. MySQL is a widely used relational database management system that employs SQL, a straightforward English-like language for managing data. The system is initially configured by downloading and installing the MySQL server, followed by creating a new database and initializing it, using SQL commands to maintain tables for storing data. These tables have columns with specified data types and constraints, such as primary keys, with their structure defined using the CREATE/TABLE command, while the DESC command displays detailed information about the table. SQL data manipulation statements like INSERT, UPDATE, and SELECT allow users to add new records, modify existing ones based on conditions, and retrieve and filter records using conditions and order. To safeguard against data loss and enable version upgrades, MySQL provides options to backup unstructured data separately, with multiple backups enhancing reliability for database management. In essence, MySQL is a relational database that manages data using SQL, a data manipulation language that structures tables with defined constraints, allows data manipulation through commands, and ensures reliability through backup mechanisms. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.